Hyderabad police have uncovered yet another shocking case of food adulteration. On Tuesday, the Commissioner Task Force raided a unit named Shahzad Foodmaster in Malepalli. The owner, Muhammad Farooq, was arrested for manufacturing adulterated ginger garlic paste under unhygienic conditions. The investigators revealed that the paste was mixed with acetic acid, synthetic colors, gunpowder, and excess salt, additives that can cause serious digestive issues. During the raid, the police seized 1,090 kilograms of a tinted product along with raw materials and equipped worth over 2.2 lakh. What's more alarming is that United's facile license had expired back in 2018, yet Farooq continued supplying the adulterated paste to stores, restaurants, caterers across the city. This crackdown follows a similar raid on March 6 when police seized nearly 1,900 kilograms of adulterated paste from a Lalpete Gowdan. Together, these operations highlight the scale of the program and the risk posed to public health. Experts warn that consuming such chemically treated paste can lead to digestive disorders and long-term health complications. Authorities are urging citizens to be cautious, to check labels carefully, and wherever possible, prepare ginger garlic paste at home to ensure safety. The Hyderabad police say their drive against food adulteration will continue, sending a strong message to those who compromise public health for profit. For consumers, this is a reminder that vigilance in everyday food choices is essential.